So, our people now, chapter 4, now we'll go talk about today. And the story for Bible, na Noah's Ark. So make we start. Many years come pass. All the people waiting for earth come wicked well. They know they respect God at all. God can't look all the people we make. It can't sad well. As that not be the plan we get before. Then he can't decide say, he go just end this world pata, clean them, start all over again. God can't say, he go send big flood. We go remove all the bad things we did for this earth come out. But we can't look at again. He can't see this man for this earth. One man we still good. The man named Noah. Noah no be like all the other bad people. He be good man well. He kind. He love God. They respect God. God can't tell Noah say, make he listen well. As he won't make him make big boats when we call ark. The ark will save him and all his family from the flood we won't send to take clean the earth. Pata. God can't give Noah direction on how he won't make this big boat. From all the wood we go use, all the nail we go use, everything go reach the smallest thing. God tell him I go take find him. He also can't tell him say, make him not forget to put door for the front of the ark because he go need them well. When he tell him finish, he can't say, that no be all. You go need to find all the animals waiting for this earth. Man and woman of all the animals. Go reach bed where they fly for air. Then you will come carry all of them with your wife and your 3 pikin when you get and their wife. All of una come enter the boat. As they do that one, make you not forget say you go find food Don't be only food for your family, all the food will go serve all your family and all the animals too. Because the whole time when I go for inside that boat, I go need food. When you don't listen well, it can't start to make the ark. It take many days to make the ark finish. The ark big past any big house we don't ever see. Because Noah is a better person, he can't tell the people for us, I say. Make them follow one now, make them follow one hear God, make them follow one enter the ark when the rain starts. But they not hear. Instead, they just laugh and say, he head no correct. But Noah just shake his head. When Noah don't finish the ark, he can't make all the animals begin to enter one by one. He can't pack many food and water for inside the ark too. Everything that he put for inside the ark. When everything don't enter, now he can tell your wife and he picking them. And their wife make them enter the ark too. When all of them don't enter finish, now God can close the door of the ark tight well. Before you know what they happen, rain can't start to follow. Now small it starts. Then the rain can't fall heavy for everywhere. The sound be like many drum where they beat. Small river turn to big water. Everything where they for edge can cover. Go reach the big mountains. Everything just cover. The whole edge just cover with many water. The rain can fall for 40 days and for 40 nights. And everything waiting for this earth can die. Only the people and the things and the animals waiting for the ark, they can remain. After 40 days, the rain can stop. But the water still cover everywhere. Noah can open the window, make it look outside, make it see whether the water don't finish. But you can't see say water still there everywhere. Now you can't send one black bird, whether they call raven. But the bird not gonna come back. Noah can't wait for another small time. Then he can't send one fine white bird like that one they call dove. Make it go check whether the water don't dry. But the dove come back because the water still plenty for everywhere. After another small time, Noah can't send the dove again. This time, the dove can't come back. It can't bring leaf for inside your mouth. Now Noah can say, it be like say this water don't dry. Plants and vegetables don't start to grow again. But he can't wait small again, oh. After some time, he can't send the dove again. But the dove not really come back. Now you know I can't know say the water don't dry well. No, I can't open the door for the ark, make all the animals begin to come as small. He can't see say the ground don't dry. Now he can't carry stone, many stone, now he can't build water. We go to thank God because he keeping you and the family safe. Now God can't look Noah, he can't promise Noah, say, you no go ever destroy this world again with water. For the first time ever, he can't put rainbow, that color waiting for sky, so he can't put time for there. He can't say, Noah, you see this rainbow waiting for sky, so anytime when you see rainbow, make you remember this promise where I make to you. The promise say, I not go destroy this world with water again. When God can't finish, he can't tell Noah and the family, say, may them spread for the whole earth, may they born many pikin, may they fill the earth, because the world go can't start again. And so Noah and the family take save from water, and so God take save them, all of them. And so the story can't end. Now thank you,